car out of the shop. It's filthy, but it's been on the lift, working on some turbo stuff. But it's back NA right now today. We have our production axle back on the car finally. The other videos were first of a prototype one that used a 6-inch muffler. We ended up going with a 5-inch for production. That's what's on the car today. So we're gonna get some sound clips of it. This is actually, like I said, a production part now. It's on the website. They went up right before our Black Friday sale. So we got a number of these that are gonna be shipping out next week. So yeah, we're gonna do some sound clips today. This is of the dual, and we're also gonna do some of the single exit version. Besides the axle back, so we'll test it next with a header on there, and it'll imagine it'll be quite a bit louder, but it's got a definitely more aggressive tone than stock for sure. Just to recap, that was some clips of our dual exit axle back. OEM header, OEM over pipe, OEM front pipe, OEM mid pipe. So just the axle back only. As you can hear, it's fairly quiet. More aggressive tone than stock for sure, but nothing too crazy loud. We're gonna test the single exit next here. Yeah, we'll see how that sounds. Expect it to be a little bit louder than the dual, obviously, with one less muffler, but I haven't heard it yet, so it should be pretty interesting to see.